Hi, I'm Stephen Parnell, Head of Laundry for Fisher Paykel Technologies. As a graduate, I chose Fisher Paykel Appliances as I wanted to work for a world-class company whose technology was leading the world and delivering superior performance and reliability to customers. Appliances exceeded my expectations. The collaborative working environment, working closely with all parts of the organisation from procurement, design, manufacturing, marketing and service, enables us to generate the best solutions in the market. It was a great environment for me to learn and grow, as well as allowing me to make a difference to the product and the organisation. 20 years on, after many role changes and interesting projects, and a year off on an OE, I'm now in charge of laundry for Fisher Paykel Technologies. I still have the same passion for developing innovative solutions as I had when I started. At Technologies, I work in a great team focused purely on developing technology. We're not limited by one market or one brand, simply developing the best subsystems that add real value to our consumers' products.